How's it going? John here from Next Key Real Estate. I have a wonderful home in Westbrook, Maine for you to consider. This house contains just under 2,500 square foot of living space, and it has 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths, along with a very big, expansive downstairs finished walkout basement. The home also sits on a 5-acre lot, which has potential. You have to check with the town, but does have the potential to be split off or potentially further developed with another dwelling on it. Any case, love for you to come inside, check it out, and let me know what you think. Let's go. Thanks for coming by. I hope you enjoyed this home. If you have any questions, please reach out to us. Our information will be at the end of the video. And any of your real estate needs, reach out to us. You have a great day. Thanks for coming by.